Hey guys, I have some great ideas for you to try out if you're starting to get bored in the kitchen. Whether you're carnivore or animal-based, check this out. I'm sure you'll find something you love. So these are brisket and cream cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers. You just mix in some leftover brisket in with some cream cheese. You can add a little spice if you tolerate that. And then you just wrap it in bacon. And we're gonna cook this on 425 in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also put these in the air fryer. You won't be able to cook as many in an air fryer, but then you would put it on 325 degrees for about 14, 15 minutes and until they're kind of crispy on the outside, and temp it. I've also heard that you can put these on the grill. I personally haven't tried it, but you can give it a go if you're more of the outdoor grill type. All right, so we're gonna put them on for 25 minutes. I've already preheated my oven. Uh-oh, I left a pan in there. Hang on. All right, don't touch that. Just a little kitchen tip. If you're special like me and sometimes heat up a pan you don't mean to heat up, if you have other people in the house, let me show you a safety trick. Just throw a towel over the pan. If you have a bigger towel, that's better. To let other people know that this pan is hot. Nothing is worse than grabbing a hot pan that you did not know was hot. Don't ask me how I know. This is a jalapeno cheese dip. It has cream cheese in it, Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. It has some jalapenos, which you can skip, but I had some jalapenos left over. And then it has bacon and then shredded cheese on top of it. They don't cook at the exact same temperature. One's 400 and one's 425, but I figure it's close enough for government work, and I will use a thermometer in this case just to make sure. But I do like my cheese dip a little crunchy on top, and so if it's a little overcooked on the top, I'm okay with that. I'm going to heat up my griddle, and I'm going to add some ghee. This is actually my first time using this griddle, so we'll see how it works. These are cheddar cheese, ground beef, bacon, hamburger patties, and I'm going to cook them on the griddle. One reason I switched to the griddle is to try out making larger quantities of meat at one time. Woo! Caliente! All right. Ooh, yum, yum. Look at the bubble. We're gonna leave this cheese dip in here a little bit longer. Don't look at the bottom of my oven. All right, so we're gonna cut one of these burgers open and see what it looks like. I'm not trying to take anybody out today. We're getting there. Burgers are ready. Griddle is not so great right now. I put grease on it. I'm not sure why it stuck so bad. Maybe I had the temperature up too high. We have our jalapeno cheese dip fresh out of the oven. So here is our finished product. Our stuffed jalapenos with brisket and cream cheese. Our burgers with cheddar cheese and bacon. And then our cheese dip with jalapenos, bacon, Monterey Jack, and then we're gonna eat it with some pork rinds. So I hope these gave you some great ideas for the kitchen. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or is there something that you love that's we may not have thought of? Leave that in the comments to give us some more ideas. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay meaty.